Hello friends and greetings from Iceland. This footage is from a few hours ago. I hiked Trail C to the summit of Stóri. I didn't quite reach the volcano and it wasn't my intention to do this today. So it was just a small hike with my sons to show them the volcano from a distance. We hiked to Stóri where I launched a drone. Stóri or the Big Ram is the cone-shaped mountain that overlooks Meradalir valleys, from where you have a good overview over the current eruption in 2021 and 22 cones. So I used the chance to launch a drone, and here we are flying above northeastern edge of Meradalir. That's where we saw hot lava during the last trip, and you will see it also now again. Is still there, hot lava. The grayish thing to the bottom is 2021 lava. The dark thing to the top is 2022 lava from Meradalir eruption last year. And to the very top right is the volcano and also the lava from 2023 eruption, which is already overspilling here over the 2022 lava. It's hard to tell apart where is 2022 lava or where is 2023 because they look very similar, but more or less you can see the edge here in the middle of the picture of 2023 lava, which pushed it quite far already inside of Meradalir. And now we will go lower and you will see the hot lava there. Volcano is erupting and people are hiking to it every day. There you see hot lava. You see it's hot lava, and you'll see more of it during the later part of the video. So there is lots of hot lava in Meradalir. It's slowly pushing through. It's obviously traveling under the cooled crust. It looks like it's a cold lava all over, but it is not. It's just a thin crust of cooled lava, but inside it's hot. Let's compare it to a balloon which has a cooled surface, but inside it's very hot, and the more you push lava into that balloon, at some places it explodes and breaks through. That's what we see next to the volcano and also through the lava fields as far as Meradalir. So this is volcano today. That's how it looks. Nothing changed. Lava is spilling around the crater, and mainly to the north, just around the crater, and pushing, you see, to the east into this valley, going further and further east. We will eventually flood all this valley and make this small mountain in the middle of the picture an island, lava island, which will be flooded by lava from all the sides. And it looks like to be already locked or almost locked by the lava. So volcano is erupting, and I saw quite a few hikers hiking to the volcano even in the night. I came home at midnight, and people walk there even after the closure times. They use different mountings to get through. Here you see Meradalir Valley, and to the very top is the summit of 2022 eruption. And here you see the spillover of 2023 lava. It's all hot. You see this lava tank that went over. You see it's still burning hot lava there inside. This is not a new issue, like some say. It's just hot lava spilling over from 2023. Lava flows just pushing under the cooled crust. So there you see 2021 cone on the top of the hill, and Stóri Big Ram to the left side. I will fly now towards 2022 cone, or Geldingadalur volcano as they call it, because all of those mountains are called Fagradalsfjall volcanic system, but it's not one volcano, but there are dozens of different mountains and cones, and this one erupted in Geldingadalur Valley in early 2021. It's all that there is no activity in this cone, but it emitted huge amounts of lava in the course of 6 months that it used to erupt. There was a break for 1 month when the volcano stopped, but otherwise it's emitted this huge plateau of lava surrounding the cone. It also went into different valleys. That's how it looks today, a few hours ago. This old volcano. You hike it on the other side of the mountain if you use Trail A, which bypasses the old cone. So in a way, Trail A is good because you also see 2 cones from previous eruptions. And this is the summit of Storyhrútur, or the Big Ram, where I launched the drone from. I hiked the long ridge. It's about 3.5 kilometers hike from parking lot number 2 or parking lot number 4. Very easy hike, just up the mountain and then up the Storyhrútur, a little bit steep, but okay. So this is Iceland today. It was quite windy on the top though, but it was good weather. During the early part of the day it was very sunny and clear skies. That's me on the top with my sons there. We just hiked it to this mountain and back. Just a small recreational hike. It wasn't a true volcano expedition. So this is the update from today, from a few hours ago. This is the view you get if you hike to Big Ram. You see volcano from Big Ram, but you don't see it from Long Ridge. But you see it well from Big Ram. Distance view. And this is 2022 cone here on the top straight. It's barely visible because it's so shallow. It's very small cone. It erupted only for 2 weeks. And this is pretty impressive 2021 cone. Geldingadalur volcano, which flooded the valley behind the cone. There was deep valley there, called Geldingadalur, or castration valley, where they used to castrate male sheep, male rams. So this is the eruption ongoing at full speed. Lava is traveling under the crust mainly. There are no big visible lava rivers on the top. As before, nothing changed. And behind the volcano you see Keilir, Mount Keilir, and Hafnarfjörður and larger Reykjavik in the very background. So this is the lava way to the ocean. If it will break through, it has to pass through this valley and will enter the ocean somewhere there, if it will. If volcano erupts long enough. This mountain is Skalamælifell, that is parking lot number 2. I don't recommend it because if you use it, you don't quite reach the volcano. They allow you to come only 1.7 kilometers into the valley from where you see volcano from a distance. So the best way is just to hike Trail A on the other side of 2021 cone there to the top and bypass those lavas, and you reach the summit of Litlhrútur, or Little Ram. But now we are on Big Ram, a sister mountain. So you have an idea now about the lava fields from 2021, 22 and 23, how they are merging together, and this is the view you have from Big Ram or Storyhrútur. You remember this mountain well from 2021 eruption, I guess. And there you see a little ramp to the top, just in front of the volcano. That's where I filmed my last films during last 3 trips. And probably the next one will be the same spot. So lots of smoke. Well, not so much is visible in the skies, but some from the volcano. Now we go back down to Story Route or Big Ram. So this is the latest update from the eruption site. Volcano is erupting. Things changed very little. I will be there very soon again. All the best.